Hey guys, sorry I've been slow on my videos. I've been really busy for the past 2 weeks. And so, I have a request to, request to hold in my sneezes. So it's not really working. I'm sorry I've been slow on requests, but I can't. I'm sort of losing track of all of them, so if you guys could post your request on my channel, that would be that'd be easier for me to do. And so hold on, I gotta do it. Hold on, I ran out of tissue again. Hold on. Oh yeah, and I forgot to say that I'm using a flower to make myself sneeze. Okay, let me smell it again. I think I'm done.